In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a vault from 1Password. Now, removing a vault is an irreversible action that you should only proceed with if you're absolutely sure it's no longer needed. Keep in mind that deleting a vault will remove all the items stored within it, so make sure to back up any important information you might need before proceeding. First, let's get started by going to the 1Password dashboard. You can access the dashboard by opening your web browser and navigating to the 1Password website. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the home screen, also known as the dashboard. This is where all your vaults and items are organized. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Vaults section. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should see an option labeled Vaults. Clicking this will take you to a list of all the vaults currently associated with your account. Take a moment here to locate the specific vault you wish to delete. After finding the right vault, you'll need to click on it to view its contents and settings. Look for the settings icon, which usually resembles a gear located near the top right of the vault's interface. By clicking this icon, you will open a drop-down menu with several options available for managing your vault. In this drop-down, you should see an option labeled More Actions. Right next to this, you will find three dots. Click on these three dots to expand a hidden menu. This menu contains advanced options for managing your vault, including the option to delete it. When you see the option that says Delete Vault, go ahead and click it. This action will prompt a confirmation process, as 1Password wants to ensure that you do indeed want to permanently remove this vault. It's a security measure to prevent accidental deletions. For this confirmation, you'll be required to enter your master password. Typing in your password confirms your identity and authorizes the vault deletion. Make sure you enter your password correctly to proceed to the final step. With your password entered, you will now see the final option, Permanently Delete Vault. Once you click this, the vault and all its contents will be permanently removed from your 1Password account. At this point, there's no turning back, so make absolutely sure this is what you want to do. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete a vault in 1Password. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so always double check to ensure you no longer need the vault you're deleting. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your digital tools efficiently.